hit sharply to short. High hop handled by Rodriguez, and the Island Coast Gators have gotten it done! They take down the 1 seed yesterday, and they pull out an 8-inning, extra inning thriller tonight. They're the talk of the town.
You get to take care of fish. You get to learn how to, do building and like stuff. You build stuff, you plant stuff, and you also take care of fish, deal with the systems. You learn how fish are bred, how like stuff like that, like how plants grow through like hydroponic systems, which is a system where plants grow with only water. And you basically do maintenance on these things. You learn on the way.
The kids are the most precious things here in Island Coast, because why? Each kid is unique. And as a teacher, I think if you like kids, then Island Coast is supposed to be at least your first choice.
Oh, you know what makes Coast unique or special is it's a very welcoming place. I've been here for 13 years. Students feel at home. I feel at home. There's lots of programs and classes you just can't get anywhere else. And students seem to get together, have some spirit, and have lots of fun while attending school. It's just a very unique and special place that I think every student should experience.
I really like our ROTC program. I'm the commander of the whole thing. So if I had to say something unique, it would be that. We're really good at what we do. We're really inclusive. We have a lot of things for a whole bunch of people. We had 400 freshmen come in this year. And they're all still there. None of them dropped out. We don't force you to do push-ups. We don't force you to go to the military afterwards. It's a great place to come.
Y'all got hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends.